setup and plan on GU. And as you can see, everything is fine, everything is clear, just clean price action. You just have to be a little bit more discipline and patience. For first and foremost, GU, you can clearly see that GU is moving down after this last break of structure to the downside. So we're looking for sales in the first place. Our first scenario is sales. So you can see we had our last break of structure to the downside, which was this one, so not that one. Break of structure to the upside. This was the last break of structure to the upside. Then this is a change of character to the downside. Then this is the break of structure, the downside continuation. Then this is our break of structure to the downside. External structure, then we go to 15 minutes for our internal market structure. And this is our internal market structure. Then our last buy sell candle. This one is already mitigated. This one. Let's zoom in and see. Yeah, it's this one. This is our bullish order block. So our first scenario, we're going to wait for the price to come back here, take out this liquidity, tap into our order block, then we go to 1 minute for our confirmation, and then we sell it, right? But if the price continue and then breaks this last low, then you're gonna wait for the break. Then we check our end order block around here. We have this one, or here. Then I'll be updating you anything about the scenario. Okay, those are the two scenarios. And the third scenario, if the price disrespect this order block, then wait for the break, then retest, then a continuation. But as per now, gold and euro and dollar is very, very strong, and it's moving down against the GBP. And then for euro USD, very, very simple for it. Since yesterday, it's just melting down, right? And then clearly you can see we had our last break. And then of our break of structure to the downside. Then you have a continuation break of structure to the downside. So one of our order blocks, we have this one, the first one, nice clean sell order block. We have also this one, and you have the final one, which is here up. They're all order blocks. You just need to wait for price to come back here, then you get confirmation, then you sell the scenario number 1, then scenario number 2, then scenario number 3 for now. For the fourth scenario, I will be updating you and making another video on that. Then on gold yesterday respected our order block, but we didn't get that final confirmation on that very particular day, so we had to shift and wait for today. Our change of character, price tapped into this sell order block. Then when you go to 50 minutes, then you can see that we had our break of structure to the upside. Then we had our change of character to the downside. That means we're focusing on this internal supply zone here. Although we have plenty of liquidity which is here, also have plenty of liquidity around here. So at the moment gold is up, is complicated, but you can still look for sales around there, or we wait for the break of this area, then retest, then a continuation to the upside. Then for GBP, GPY, super clean price action. You can, if you remember, we had our break of structure here, and then we had our change of character to the downside. Then we had our break of structure here. And then we had our change of character to the upside. And you can see this was our buy breaker block. We had the very break, then retest, then a little reaction from here, but later on it was disrespected. Then we're focusing on this order block. This bullish order block, and you can clearly refine it in the lower time frame. So being this one, but also this one's already mitigated. You can check on 15. Then on 15 you have it here. Then you need to wait for the candle break. Here plus the 1 minute. And the 1 minute shift is gonna be here. You're going to wait patiently for the confirmation. That's 1 minute shift. Then you can see the price was moving up. So this is our last break of structure to the upside. And this is our break of structure to the upside. Order block, bullish order block. So our plan is very simple for here, and you can see we have liquidity just here down. Then you're gonna wait. Let me mark out this liquidity. We're gonna wait for the price to come here, then wait for our buy confirmation, then you continue buying. That's scenario number 1, targeting this swing high. That's scenario number 1. Then scenario number 2, if the price disrespect this order block, then I wait for the break, then a retest, then a continuation to the downside. And you're not here to overcomplicate trading, just here to simplify trading and to make money with trading. So if it's any update according to any pair, I'll be updating you with a video, and